we've got an Otis elevator here at this parking garage, and judging by what I can see right now, it looks like a Gen2. That's the motor. It's kind of hard to see with the light reflecting, but just take my word for it, okay? Down there, that's the actual ramp into the garage. I'm not sure what this garage is actually called. Now it's starting to rain. The motor is, you can't even tell if it's going. Oh, here it comes. I can barely even see the motor. There's the motor. It's got a 3-speed door. Wow, this thing's been graffitied.
Este ascensor baja.
It's got the crappy, weird little partial sensors. Wow, look at this. This has been all banged up too.
Cerrando puertas.
I don't know why they put a wood laminate cabinet parking garage. I mean, you kind of get what you ask for by doing that. Oh, we're going down. It's got an orange indicator. That's weird.
Sótano tercero. Abriendo puertas. Este ascensor sube. Cerrando puertas. Sótano primero. Abriendo puertas.
Sí.
Este ascensor sube.
¿Qué hacemos entonces?
Cerrando puertas.
Lo siento, estoy filmando eso.
Ah,
No,
puedes
no,
filmar.
No quieres, no quieres.
No quiero saber.
Estás nervioso.
¿Qué hacemos?
Planta baja.
Lo siento.
Nada, no
Estoy
pasa nada.
haciendo un
Abriendo
proyecto.
Haces bien, haces bien. Hasta luego.
Estamos en la calle.
Este ascensor baja.
I honestly wonder if that was something older, because that wood cab, it doesn't look like 2000s to me. But I don't know. I mean, that would not be older than the 2000s. Anyway, that's it. Actually, I'm going to quickly, while the camera's rolling, I want to find, oh, that's what it is. Plaza Descalzas. Alright, that's what this is called. Anyway, well, there's the counterweight. That's it.